everyone, I'm in the kitchen here, and in the process I think I invented something that I like to call crêpe mumgry. Let me explain. The first part of the word crêpe is a French word, and it's a food very similar to the English pancake. Come, I'll show you. It's being made here. I have on the cooktop here the crepe mix, olive oil to keep it from not sticking to the frying pan, crepe being fried here. I think this is good to just about turn over. Crepe is flat like this, unlike the English pancake, which is a little bit thicker. There, it's flat like this, and it gets rolled up, filled with your favorite treats, whatever you like. The crepe mix is very similar to the English pancake mix, but this one is absolutely homemade. I mix in some flour with milk, some sugar, add 1 egg, and mix it to this consistency. So how much milk and how much flour, I don't know, until it's like this. Very straightforward. And how much sugar, I don't know, to taste. Do you want to get diabetes? No. So put some into it for taste, and yeah, use it sparingly, or whatever you like. You can put garlic in it if you want. Well, don't, it's gross in this mix. So that's the crepe part. Now the filling and the mumgry part. So for filling, I like using, for example, cocoa powder mixed in with granulated sugar. Just something nice, or something that you like. Cocoa powder, 1 part of this, 3 parts of granulated sugar. So that's a 1 to 3, or some people go with 1 to 4, 1 to 6 if you like diabetes, like I said, whatever you like. Another filling is jam. I like raspberry jam and jams that are high in fruit and low in sugar ideally, but something that doesn't run too much, because this crepe gets folded. It can be rolled up or it can be quarter folded, either which way. But the jam and this stuff ideally shouldn't be running out. I spilled a little bit there. Cream cheese, also a great option. Or cottage cheese mixed in with, I don't know, an egg and some sugar. Spread it on it, it does not drip. Nice. Now the mumgry part. Mumgry is right over here in this jar, and is a plant-based food out of Vancouver. It's peanut butter mixed in with chocolate. Very straightforward. And that's basically the end of the list of ingredients in mumgry. There, have a look at this. And here is the nutrition fact. No, this video is not sponsored by mumgry, but this is how you make crêpe mumgry. I'll put you back on the tripod, and I'm gonna fill this crepe with mumgry. Very straightforward. Of course, this doesn't work if you're allergic to flour or milk or peanut. Now, can you do this with Nutella? Of course you can. If you like donating your money away to Kraft Foods or whoever makes Nutella, whatever. I kinda like the competition, if you know what I mean. This gets rolled up like this. Voila! Yummy! Bon appetit!